Hiya guys, good afternoon, and another new listing exclusive to Kalida Homes, this one in Albox, the stunning Villa Limoneros. Look at that absolute backdrop. Now this is a very spacious 3-bedroom villa with a separate dining room. It's only 1 minute's drive from the very centre of Albox, but it's a non-estate location. Privacy, stunning views. And the whole garden has literally just received a total overhaul. The pool's been totally refurbished, all the outside walls have been repainted, artificial grass has been added. Wonderfully spacious plot of mature palm trees, as you can see, and yuccas. There's irrigation hoses around here. This gorgeous, very expansive porch which has been fly screen enclosed, and you enjoy just stunning views out over the pool from there. Just absolutely beautiful gardens. Very low maintenance because all this is mature plants and shrubs. All the exterior walling's been freshly painted, as has the exterior of the villa. You've got these lockable gates and privacy walls both to the left and right, so you can shut off the front garden entirely from the back garden. So if you've got pets and stuff like that, very secure. Just the rustle of the palms. It's mains water, mains electric of course, but you've also got a great big backup water deposit if required. And as mentioned earlier, there's irrigation. You might not be able to see them, but they're dotted around the garden, so you've got irrigation tubes, watering stuff if you want to, all the plants and palms. Closer look at this wonderful porch. The door you can see just there leads straight into the kitchen. We'll have a look at that in a second, but just pan around from this end and just check out those absolutely amazing views. You think you're in the middle of nowhere, which is a big advantage sometimes, but you're not. As I say, minute and a half tops, and you're in the centre of Albox with the amenities and the supermarkets and stuff, and you can walk there as well. Another nice artificially grassed area there. You can see a little dining table and chairs popped over there in the corner. My little friend come out to see me. I don't know if you can see. So coming out to the back of the property, you can see there it's double electric gate access. A wonderful space. You've got a metal storage shed over there. Another little storage room to the back of the villa in front of me. That's the storage tank for the gas or for the central heating system. The boiler's in the little storage room just behind me, you just saw there. I love these kind of built up beds, and they run left and right of the gate as well. You can just see it, just the rustle, the quiet rustle of the trees, beautiful blue skies and bird song. So I've come inside now to the wonderful covered porch. The kitchen door's immediately behind me. So this has been fly screened in, so you can have, you know, dining tables and everything out here and do a bit of kind of relaxation without being bothered by any bugs. Double door access there, going straight into the living room. And then further double door access that leads into the separate dining room. So coming into the kitchen off of the porch, you can see sunken spotlights, and these run throughout the villa. Newly refurbished kitchen, Beautiful black granite work surfaces. And kickboards. And that arched access, I love the flow, you know, it's just very kind of an open plan feel, and it just runs beautifully. So straight into a gorgeous dining room. And that's lovely bow fronted. Wonderful neutral tile scheme that runs from here on into the lounge. And again, you can see the sunken spots. Double door access off of this, flowing beautifully into a very spacious central lounge. See one of the radiators from the central heating system here. Got a centrally mounted fireplace, coal effect gas fire being put in that, but that can easily be adapted again to a wood or a pellet burner if you want to. Double door access there going out to the porch, so that door back into the dining area. Archway over here to the left that connects into all of the bedrooms. So as well as central heating, you've got lovely little panel heaters around, so really in terms of hot, cold, you know, keeping warm, whatever, owners couldn't have really installed much more. So coming through the archway here, you come into a lovely hallway. You've got the first, I suppose, shared family bathroom here. Very nice size. And then the first guest bedroom. Double bank of floor to ceiling fitted wardrobes, ceiling fan in here and an air conditioning unit. Another double guest bedroom. Blanket fitted wardrobes, and right at the end of the hallway, the very spacious master bedroom. This glorious wallpaper panel here. Again, you've got a panel heater, radiator, air conditioning unit, ceiling fan, so in terms of comfort, everything's been thought of. Fly screens on all the windows as well. And then the ensuite for this gorgeous, newly refurbished bathroom. So there you have it, Villa Limoneros. Just 1 minute drive outside the centre of Albox. Full details will be available very shortly. See the link below. And to arrange viewings or for any further information, you know the score, give us a call. +34 950 430 763. Or just send us an email, khalidahomes@hotmail.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Really much appreciated, and I hope you like this gorgeous villa.